Hello, today I'm going to talk about Novelist Plus, a reader's advisory database available at this library. What's Reader's Advisory? That's the library's term for when library staff recommend books to you based on other books that you tell us you've liked. They can also be called read-alikes. As Novelist puts it, it answers the question, what should I read next? You learned about logging into Novelist Plus through the library's databases in a previous tutorial. It's easy to get started with Novelist Plus. Here on the home page, you'll find many options to begin exploring. You can start by clicking Browse and use the drop-down menu to browse genre, appeal, themes, award winners, and audiobooks. You can also find the Help menu right over here. This will answer frequently asked questions about Novelist Plus. Be sure to use it if you don't know what something on the database does. If you know the author, title, or a keyword from a novel that you've liked, click here and type your terms into the search box. Here, see that I've already typed John Sandford. When we click search, we're brought to a page that gives information about him, his novels, and the genre. We can click on his novel Extreme Prey and find information about only that novel. This is information such as a description, the type of genre it is, police procedural or thrillers and suspense, the type of character, storyline, pace of the novel, tone, and writing style. Here you'll find reviews from Booklist, Publishers Weekly, and Kirkus. And scrolling down further, you can search for more novels or authors using the same genre, pace, writing style, subject, or even storyline or tone, or even location and character that are subjects of this novel. Let's say you don't know what type of book you're looking for. We're back on the main page now, so we'll see an area of the site that's great for browsing. Right here, we're going to click Browse for Adults. And then from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Mysteries. The beginning of this Mysteries page will bring us to books that are forthcoming, which means they'll be released soon. So if we clicked on this title, it'll bring us to a description of the book, tell us if it's part of a series, which this one is, and it will also give us other relevant information. If you're looking for something similar to this book, you can go right over here, and these are the read-alikes. So from there, you can click on this novel or hover over, and it will just give you a brief introduction and description, and then that will give you an idea of whether you want to click on it. A final section that I want to discuss are the lists that Novelist Plus provides. On the left-hand side here, you'll find recommended reads, which are lists of fiction, audiobooks, best of the previous year, and fiction A to Z to browse, amongst others. This was a brief introduction to Novelist Plus, and we hope you will start using it to search for your next favorite book. Remember that you can search by author, title, and genre for summaries and category information, that Novelist Plus provides recommended reads and annual best of lists, and it also provides read-alikes. Please remember to view our previous videos to learn how to sign in to your Novelist Plus account. Thank you.